Hello, it's Rick or Stan. We just bought a tow truck. One of Action Towing's old tow trucks. Doesn't have their name on it anywhere, but here it is. F-350. It's got the kingpin front end, kind you want. Let's just drove through the mud a little bit. Shit. Hey, pull this off. Is that on a little clip? She's a little rough. Somebody stole the winches. But it's a Vulcan. It's an 866. 3500. This is the underlift, the wheel lift. It's 3500 lift, 7500 tow. And then the boom is good for 6,000 pounds and 20,000 pounds. Oh, that's a lot. Have to find some winches for it. All banged up. Got some moss growing in it. We'll fix all that. It's an old tow truck, but we'll get some sledgehammers out here and start beating the hell out of it and straighten it up. And you won't know it. It looks like this here when we get done with it. We'll straighten out all this stuff. Start pulling off these winch cables, get them out of here. Well, Dexter just came flying up the driveway. Doors caved in, sides caved in. Hey, it came with a nice orange cone. Well, something just shot out at me and hit me. Piece of plastic. Did you look in the glove box? Hey, I think this is for this truck. Weird. Hey, this is my, that's that guy's name. The guy that owns this truck, right there. It's Elliot Montgomery. That's Monty's name. That's why they call him Monty, because of his last name, Montgomery. Well, now I can look that up on YouTube. I think he's died. Well, I'm taking the record bat off it anyways. I don't care. Well, he was all insured with Progressive. Yeah, that's him right there, Elliot Montgomery. Looks a little wavy from this angle. Like I said, when we get done with this truck, you'll never know it's the same truck. Part of a car. Did you look behind the back seat? How did you know these are head gaskets? Does it say head gaskets on them? Got a big tarp in here. Oh shit. Hey, wow, there's some old key rings in here. Sand Lake Automotive. Weird, they must have towed for Sand Lake Automotive at one time or another. I was gonna ask that.
Sticker on the glove box.
What?
You see a sticker on the glove box?
No. I know my feet are getting cold because it's wet out here. The top light's gone. So they must have took it to their shop and took all the good stuff off. But they're probably everything's gone. Looks like a wiring nightmare. Oh wow, this thing's got a line lock on it. It's got a line lock. It's seized. Is there anything behind the back seat? No. Anything in here? Little air compressor light, socket spring. I didn't notice that didn't shut. No, it does. Look at this. Steering column's all busted. I thought that was part of a wheel lift, but that's where that's a little tray for the L arms to set. Okay, well, we're going to try to get it in the garage here in a bit. But anyways, comment, like, and subscribe. Share with a friend. Maybe they'll subscribe to me. So we're trying to get 1 million subscribers. So anyways, have a wonderful day. Bye.